Welcome to the IBM Easy Web Browsing Cloud demo. This solution allows users to customize their web browsing experience to accommodate their accessibility needs, learning styles, or personal preferences. Since Easy Web Browsing Cloud, or EWBC for short, is cloud-based, there is nothing for the user to install, and the solution works across multiple desktop and mobile devices. So let's get to the demo. The EWBC toolbar displays across the top of the web page and is easy to integrate into any website or web-based application. It can also be installed in your browser and toggled on or off by the user. The main features of EWBC are accessed via the three large buttons on the left side of the toolbar. Click Speak and position the cursor over the text you want read to you.
Intro to Accessibility and the Wcag 2.0 Standards, a general introduction to disabilities, IT accessibility, assistive technologies, regulations and standards, includes a discussion of why accessibility increasingly matters to everyone.
Click Magnify to display text in the large font window at the bottom of the page.
Accessibility in the life cycle. Understand how accessibility fits generally into the IT project life cycle, from concept to design to development to testing and deployment. Understand the types of accessibility testing done to verify a solution's conformance to accessibility standards, and where to find additional resources.
Click Recolor to change the color and contrast of the screen. You can further customize your viewing preferences in the Settings menu. Presets can be configured by your system administrator to specify a combination of settings that appeal to a group of users. The Speak settings allow you to fine-tune the speech-to-text feature. For example, I can change the rate of speed to fast and increase the volume to max.
Intro to Accessibility and the Wcag 2.0 Standards, a general introduction to disabilities, IT accessibility, assistive technologies, regulations and standards.
Textile Settings allow you to customize how text displays on the page. I can change font size to large. I can increase the line height to 150%. I can also increase the space between letters and the space between words. I even can add an overlay filter and turn on a ruler to make it easier to position the cursor. The online documentation for the EWBC toolbar can be accessed by clicking on the Help button. If you don't want to see the toolbar at the top of the page, just click the Minimize button. Since EWBC is cloud-based, it will remember your settings the next time you open your browser. And that's how easy it is to personalize your viewing experience with Easy Web Browser Cloud from IBM. Thanks for taking time to watch this demo.